So, every single online business owner needs to spend 60 minutes a day in revenue generating activities. And I call this the power hour. Okay. Power hour is a common term that's used in the sales and marketing world. And it is a dedicated time frame to marketing your business and trying to bring more people into your world so that you can convert those leads into paying clients. Okay. Power hour, you may have heard of it before. It is a real thing and it really, really works. So I actually recommend setting a timer. Yes, I recommend setting a timer, getting rid of all of your distractions, and staying committed to those 60 minutes because you can do so much in a committed 60 minutes. So if you're excited for a committed 60 minutes, drop power hour into the comment section below. All right, so we're going to break it down. I'm not going to tell you to do 60 minutes of revenue generating activities without telling you what should go in there. So let's jump in and talk about that. Okay, so I absolutely love this graphic. I think graphics are just such a good way to visualize our goals and visualize the way that things should be working in our business. So here we go. This is the truth, people. You need 100 to 200 new people coming into your audience every single month in order to have a very much so growing, thriving, financially successful business. Okay. There is no way around this. You need 100 or 200 new people every single month. Now, this isn't random people just filling in spots or random followers. These are actually targeted people that are being brought in to your world for you to nurture and convert into paying clients. Okay. So you might be asking, oh my gosh, Michelle, like, how do I do that? I'm going to break it down for you. And it's actually not that overwhelming.